What's happening, everybody? It's BHB. I'm going to start my hip-hop dance class. The first thing we're going to do is stretch out. 1, 2, 3, and a hand clap. We'll take it from there. Follow my lead. Here we go. Change it up in the middle. Right. 5, 4, 3, 2. Up top. Right. 5, 4, 3, 2. Jumping jack. Right. 3, 2, 1. Push up. 5. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2. Get up. 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. Okay, so we're gonna do a brand new dance. I'm gonna move in what I call grandma speed. Sorry, Jackie. She keeps telling me, don't say grandpa. We'll say grandpa speed today. Today only. But we're going to move slow, and then we'll pick up the pace. So we'll start from the side. I call it the curtain because we're off the set. We'll move in and do our thing. This piece.
Yo, Wiz, stop playing with them.
Here's the wheel.
So, Wiz, stop.
And when we move in from the curtain,
Yo.
we will move in. As soon as he says stop playing with them, we're just going to spin around, move in, face the front, take our hands. We'll hit left, right, left, up. That's our 4 counts. I'm going to remove my windows, aka my glasses, before they fly out. So we'll hit 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our first 4 counts. Adding on. What's that? Alright, so once we get here on 4, we're going to swing with that right. We'll hit 5. And we'll look back on 6. We'll pull here. 7, 8. That's our 8 counts. Again, grandpa speed. Today only. We're going to hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We'll look back. 7. We're going to rescue this person behind us, the invisible person. 7, 8. We're going big on 1. 1, 2. Alright. Real time, that's going to be here. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Alright. Once we get here, we'll hit here. 2, 3, and 4. This is going to be all rhythm after we get to that point. Let's go up to that point here with some sound and we'll add on. Here we go.
Yo, Wiz, stop playing with them.
up from that point. We went in big off that last piece. Hit big. Boom. Bop, bop. We'll get low. We'll move up. Hitting up. Left. This is going to be on the boom. We're up here. Out of the circle. So after that slam, boom, bop. This is going to be boom. Boom, bop. We'll go up, taking the legs back. Big, big, down. Alright, so again, we hit, boom, bop, boom, bop, bop, boom, bop, big, bop, bop, boom, bop. From here, we're going to push back, push. The right leg's going to go back, left behind the right. Bringing it back again. So, get low, boom, left, right, circle, up, big jump, legs go behind you, boom, bop, bop, boom, bop, boom, bop, bop, right knee goes up, boom, bop, bop, explosion. That's where we want to go. We're going to go slow to that point and pick it up real time. Here we go. So we hit left, right, boom. Look, 7, 8, big. Boom, boom, bop, big. Boom, push, boom, boom, boom. And that'll be a wrap on that one. We'll hit that twice and we'll move on. Let's go.
Don't stop playing with them.
So we're going to go through up to that point one more time. Here we go.
Don't stop playing with them.
Okay. Hopefully we made it through. Next step. Once again, after we freeze, we'll get low. Out of this, the vocal will come on. The vocal is going to take us out with some drums, 2 8 counts of freestyle, and we'll begin. Grandpa speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Once we get here, we will freestyle 2 8s of whatever you want. We're going to take our right fist here, bring the left up, we'll hit. So one's going to be here. On the one we hit 1. We're going under. I call this a piano type wave because I'm going to do a wave, but I'm not going to extend this arm until 3. So I'll hit 1, 2, 3. Okay? So let's try that real time. 5, 6, 7. Right there. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'm like leaning on this piece when I travel. So we'll hit 5, 6, 7, 2, 5, and we're going to hit here. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and we're going to turn on 6, 6, 7, we're going to hit the right, 8, 8 we're gonna drop. First 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and leaning. 5, and 6, 7. Cool. We'll try that real time. Okay, once again, we're going to move up to that point one more time and then we'll add on. Let's go. Okay, that's 1/8 there. After that 8 count, we're going to take our right over left, and I'm just going to move in. I always tell the young people, small on the footwork, big on the arms on this particular move. So we hit here, right over left, big with the arms. Like I'm swinging over top of somebody's head. I hit here. So we want to hit that. 1, 2, 3, and 4 will be here, squared up. Real time, 5, 6, just that. We'll be right here. We're just gonna go into the shoulders. We'll hit left, right. We'll travel to the left and wave on the arms hitting here. Boom, boom. Back up. So, hitting 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna hit 5, 6, 7. Right there. That's your 2 8s. Completing that. Here we go. Okay, we're going to take those two, combine them together, and that'll be our piece for today. Here we go.
Don't stop playing with them. Don't stop playing with them.
Thank you. At this point, you can freestyle, do your own thing, and that'll be a wrap.